In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close all Safari tabs at once. This is especially useful if you're someone who tends to have many tabs open and wants a quick way to clear them all out. Let's begin with the first method, which is the fastest. Open Safari on your device. Once Safari is open, locate the Tabs button. This is represented by overlapping squares and is usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Touch and hold this Tabs button. You'll see an option that says Close All Tabs, or it may say Close All followed by the number of tabs you currently have open. Go ahead and tap on that option. A confirmation message will appear. Confirm by tapping Close All Tabs again. This step is important because it ensures you don't accidentally close tabs you still need. Your Safari browser should now be free of any open tabs. Now let's move on to the second method, which involves using the Tabs view. Start by opening Safari once more. Then tap on the Tabs button, just like before. This will bring up the Tabs view showing you all the tabs you have open. In this view, look for the Done button, or you might see a checkmark button if you have a newer version of iOS or iPadOS. Touch and hold this button. This action will present you with the option to close all tabs. Tap on Close All Tabs to proceed. Again, your tabs will be cleared and you'll have a fresh start in Safari. At this point, you might be wondering if there's a way to manage tabs automatically. There is, and it's a great way to keep things tidy without manual effort. Let's dive into how you can set your device to close tabs automatically. Open your Settings app. From there, tap on Apps, then find and select Safari. Once in Safari Settings, tap on Close Tabs. You'll see a few options here. You can choose to have your tabs close automatically after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. Select the option that best suits your browsing habits. This feature is handy because it keeps your Safari from getting cluttered with old tabs. As an expert tip, if you ever accidentally close all your tabs and want to retrieve them, don't worry. Open Safari again and go to the Tabs view. There, touch and hold the plus button. This will show you recently closed tabs, allowing you to reopen any tabs you might need back. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can manage your Safari tabs efficiently. Closing tabs this way not only keeps your browser organized, but also helps your device run smoother. Remember to use the automatic closing feature if you're prone to forgetting about old tabs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips to enhance your digital experience.